Hello everyone. Today, myself Hemlata will discuss about the conjunctions and, but, or, because, and so. Then, children, what do you mean by conjunctions? Conjunctions means joining words. Whenever we join two sentences and another word will be joined in between the two sentences, that is called conjunctions. Fine. Net we will discuss in this chapter so many examples about the conjunctions. Fine. Then let's start the topic. Here you can see different type of sentences. Fine, that I will explain one by one. In picture you can see a dog with a man. That here a sentence is given like the dog is a faithful and intelligent animal. Then the quality of a dog, that is faithful, intelligent. Okay, both quality are there. Then conjunctions refers whenever two or more sentence that is connected by the different words. Okay, that is conjunction. Then here the dog is faithful and second quality of the dog, that is intelligent. That means two quality are here. Whenever we take a sentence with two quality, that and will be used. Fine. And here and is a conjunctions. Second, I want to go to play but I am sick. Use of what? Use of but means whenever the first sentence is clear and another is opposite. Fine. Like I want to go to play but I am sick. Fine. That's why we can't go to play. Okay. Then in the negative category of the second sentence is called conjunction. Here but is a conjunctions. Is it Thursday or Friday today? Then here a child is thinking about the day. He is very confused. Fine. Whenever we will use two similar things by the confusing act or action, that is called choice. Fine. Because a child is thinking about his choice, that is it today Thursday or Friday. Then in the sentence or is conjunctions. That's why the words and, but and or are conjunctions, means connecting words. जो दो sentences को connect करता है, join करता है, उसको हम कहते हैं conjunction. What is a conjunction? In another way, we can say a conjunction connects words or group of words or short sentences. किसको करता है ये? वर्ड्स को, ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड्स को, सेंटेंसेस को ये कनेक्ट करता है. ठीक है. कितना भी लंबा सेंटेंस हो, कितने भी जॉइनिंग हो, इसको हम कंजक्शंस वर्ड जोड़ के उसको शॉर्ट बना सकते हैं. वी यूज़ ऑल टू शो अ चॉइस बिटवीन टू और मोर ऑप्शंस. आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है कि अगर हमें और का यूज़ करना है तो हमारे पास चॉइस अवेलेबल रहेंगी. लाइक टेक एन एग्जाम्पल, वॉट वुड यू प्रेफर, एन आइसक्रीम और अ चॉकलेट? तो देन वॉट वुड यू प्रेफर, आइसक्रीम और चॉकलेट? हेयर और इज अ conjunctions. We use and to combine similar ideas. Okay, like orange and apple, like similar things, same things, जो हमें same thing के ideas और information देता है, that where we will use and. Here you can see the example. This Friday is a holiday. I would like to go to fair. Two sentences are there. because for in first sentence, this Friday is a holiday and I would like to go to fair. That in case of that, edit information with the connecting with the first sentence, that and will be used here as a conjunctions. Now come on the but. We use but to show a difference or an opposite ideas. जब सेकेंड सेंटेंस हमको डिफरेंसेस में दिखाना है, अपोजिट आइडिया में दिखाना है, या फीलिंग्स अपोजिटनेस नेगेटिव्स की होती है, वहाँ हम बट यूज़ करते हैं. फाइन. नाउ टेक वन एग्जाम्पल about but. Rohan plays well. He is an impatient player. Here are opposite ideas. Both ideas are opposite. Then we have to connect it these two sentences in a single with but. That but is here as a conjunctions. Remember to add a comma before the conjunction when you connect a sentence. Fine. सेंटेंस को कनेक्ट करने के लिए हम कंजक्शन से पहले क्या लगाएंगे, कॉमा ऐड करेंगे. हेयर यू कैन टेक एग्जाम्पल इन वर्ड्स लाइक एप्पल एंड ऑरेंज. Crow has an apple and an orange. Here you can see two words are similar and it is joined by and. Now we can take some more examples. Find 4. Here 4 is a conjunction, not a prepositions. Fine, because 4 has added by the joining of two sentences. We listened eagerly. 4. He brought news of our families. And she did not speak to anyone. And okay, we have used comma before and nobody spoke to her. Nor I don't expect children to be rude, nor do I expect to be disobeyed. But they rushed to the hospital, but they were too late. In all the sentences, you can see that a comma is used before the conjunctions in every sentences. Or I will go shopping or I will go camping. Yet फिर भी Kelly was a convicted criminal. फिर भी yet many people admired him. So इसलिए I was feeling hungry, so I made myself a sandwich. Now some correlated conjunctions are there. Correlated means whenever in a single sentence refers to the two meaning of the conjunctions. Both and two meanings are there. The company deals in both hardware and software. Neither or. I will neither or means ya to means choices. I will eat either carrots or peas for dinner. Neither nor. Natalites like neither milk nor cream cake. ना ही मुझे मिल्क पसंद है और ना ही मुझे क्रीम केक. Whether or. Do you care whether we have noodle or rice for dinner? Means that is a special case in the care. Now we can take example like so. He did not study, so he failed his exams. Fine, this is the correct conjunctions in the sentences. क्योंकि उसने स्टडी नहीं की है, सो इसलिए ही फेल्ड फॉर द एग्जाम्स. फाइन. नाउ and, but and because are best used in the middle of the sentence. They are called conjunctions. A proverb, or you can say a small lines we have discussed about the conjunctions, like as glue is to paper, conjunctions are to words, as they make English easier by simply joining words. हम क्या कह सकते हैं इसके बाद? हम कह सकते हैं कि जो ग्लू पर जिस तरह से पेपर वर्क करता है, ऐसे ही कंजक्शन वर्ड्स वर्क करते हैं सेंटेंसेस के अंदर. बिकॉज बिना कंजक्शन के सेंटेंसेस इम्पॉसिबल है. दे मेक इंग्लिश ईजियर. इन्होंने इंग्लिश ग्रामर को बहुत अच्छा स्कोप दिया है और बहुत अच्छा इजी वे सिखाया है टू लर्न द ग्रामर ऑफ द रूल्स बाय सिंपली जॉइनिंग वर्ड्स। एक सिंपल जॉइनिंग वर्ड को हम कनेक्ट करके कितना भी लंबा सेंटेंस को हम शॉर्ट कर सकते हैं। आई होप स्टूडेंट you will like this rule and regulation about the conjunction and you will learn definition. Thank you. Have a nice day.